So let's start the new topic. It's mathematical ability test. It's purely based on operations, right? Plus, minus, into and divided by. The same additions, subtractions, multiplications and division based calculations are related to mathematical ability. Okay, these are all few questions are based on geometry and even algebra as well. Okay, including normal basic numbers, will get some questions from geometry and algebra also. Okay, so let's take some examples related to mathematical ability. Here plus means into, minus means divided by, into means minus and divided by means plus the value of the separate equation, right? Here simple operators are replacing with others one, right? Here plus means into. So instead of addition, here plus is using for multiplication. In the same way, minus, instead of subtraction, it is using for divided by. In the same way, the remaining operators also replaced with another operators. Okay, these operators will perform different operations. Just replace those. So this is the question, but instead of regular operators, I am using the given operators. So replacing with the given ones. Okay, so here plus means into and divided by means plus, right? Then 5 minus, here minus means divided by and into means minus. Okay, so this is the value we have to find. సో ఇక్కడ ఏం చేశాడు, సింపుల్గా ఇచ్చిన ఆపరేటర్స్కి వాటి ఆపరేషన్స్ కాకుండా డిఫరెంట్ ఆపరేషన్స్ పర్ఫామ్ చేసేలాగా జస్ట్ ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. ఓకే, సో ఆపరేటర్స్ని ఇంటర్చేంజ్ చేస్తున్నాడు. మనం సింపుల్గా ఆ ఇచ్చిన ఆపరేటర్స్ని ఇందులో రీప్లేస్ చేస్తూ వాల్యూస్ని ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేస్తే సరిపోతుంది, కరెక్ట్? సో హౌ టు ప్రొసీడ్ విత్ దిస్ వన్? సింప్లీ ఫాలో బార్డమాస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, రైట్? ఆల్ ఆర్ అవేర్, రైట్? బ్రాకెట్ ఆఫ్ division, multiplication, addition and subtraction. Step by step. ఏది ఫస్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి, ఏది నెక్స్ట్ తీసుకోవాలి అనే దానికి సింపుల్ రూల్, బార్డమాస్ ప్రిన్సిపల్, కరెక్ట్? సో దిస్ ఈస్ ఫర్ బ్రాకెట్, నెక్స్ట్ వన్ ఫర్ ఆఫ్ పర్సంటేజెస్, రైట్? నెక్స్ట్ డివిజన్, మల్టిప్లికేషన్, అడిషన్ అండ్ సబ్ట్రాక్షన్. సో వన్ బై వన్ స్టెప్. సో అవుట్ ఆఫ్ దీస్ 4 operations, first one is division, right? So 5 divided by 3 and multiplications, both can take at a time. Okay, so 6 5s are 30 here, plus 5 divided by 3 minus 6. Okay, so 30 minus 6 is 24, 24 plus 5 by 3. So 24 3s are, it's 72 plus 5, 77 by 3. So 3 2s are 6, right? And 3 5s are 15, so 25, 2 by 3 is an answer. The value is first option. The best example in mathematical ability. So instead of regular operations, the operators are performing different operations, right? The same 4 values which we are using, division, multiplication, addition and subtraction, correct? So instead of regular operations, they are interchanging with other operations. Okay, then next, the different numbers, different logic here we are using, like analytical ability manner. Okay, so 4 8 20 9 3 15 6 6 and dash. So some particular function or particular operation is between these two numbers to get this number, correct? So 4 and 8 కి ఏదో ఒక ఆపరేషన్ ఆర్ ఫార్ములా యూస్ చేస్తూ నెక్స్ట్ నంబర్ 20 వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఇన్ ద సేమ్ వే 9 and 3 యాజ్ వెల్. ఓకే, ద సేమ్ ఆపరేషన్ని 6 and 6కి కూడా అప్లై చేస్తే మనకు ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. ఓకే, సో లెట్స్ టేక్ ద ఫస్ట్ వన్. ఐఎమ్ యూజింగ్ 8 2s are 16 plus 4 is 20. The next 3 2s are 6 plus 9 equals to 15. Then 6 2s are 12 plus 6 is 18. So your value is 18. So what we did here? Second number ni 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తూ ఫస్ట్ నంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నా, రైట్? సెకండ్ ప్లేస్లో ఉండే నెంబర్ని 2 తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తూ ఫస్ట్ నెంబర్స్ని యాడ్ చేస్తున్నాను. 8 2s are 16 plus 4 is 20 and 3 2s are 6 plus 9 is 15. Then 6 2s are 12 plus 6 is 18. Simple one, right? Then let's move to the next example. So let's move to the exercise here. First question, how many squares are there in the following figure? How to calculate it? It's simple, 2 by 2 square, right? So 1 centimeter. If you choose 1 centimeter, then it's 2 by 2 centimeter square, correct? So let's take the values first. The complete ABCD complete one is 1 square, right? So let's take the values. ABCD is the first one. ABCD complete square, first one. The next top one, AEHI, right? AEHI. So out of 4 boxes, so representing with the first one, complete square first తీసుకున్నాను, that is ABCD. ఇందులో 4 parts ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఈ 4 squares కదా, AEHI, EBIF and CGHI and DGIF, correct? So same I am representing here. So first complete square, the next first one left topmost, and next BEIF, this one second part, then third one CGHI, and the next is fourth part, downwards one, right? So DF, GI. Anything else apart from these 5? Yes, exactly, this one HE, EF, FG and GH. 4 sides ni add chestu 1 square, correct? That is HEFG. So completely how many squares here? 1 2 3 4 5 6 squares. That is second. And next, how many triangles are there in the following figure? How many triangles here? Let's take one by one. The first AEH, okay, and within the same figure EHI, correct? So represented with A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I letters, okay? So out of these first, ఈ first box లో చూడండి, first one AEH, correct? One triangle. The next HIE, HEI, second one. Then third BEF, first, second, third. Then fourth EF I. The next fifth and sixth DGF and GFI. The next seventh one and eighth one, it's CGH and GHI. Anything else? The next EGH, ఈ 2 triangles ని యాడ్ చేస్తూ, this one, right? First అన్ని right angles తీసుకున్నాం మనం. The next నేను EGH, equilateral triangle, right? EGH. The next EFG, this first part and second part, EFG. In the same way, top one EHF, the next bottom one HFG. Anything else apart from these? No, correct? So how many we have? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 completely. Okay, the next the salary of A is more than the salary of B by 300 and the salary of B is more than the salary of C by 200. If the sum of the salaries of B and C is 1800, what is the salary of A? This is also comes under simple equations, right, in arithmetic part. But it's using just a simple mathematical ability. So I am taking this in equation manner. Like if suppose for example salary of A, if salary of A is X, let salary of A is X. Okay, so I am just assuming here the salary of A is X. Then B's salary is A is more than the salary of B by 300, right? So I am just reducing that 300 from A's salary. A's salary is more than the B's salary, 300, right? Then C's salary, how much it has? B is more than the salary of C by 200. Again, C kante B salary inko 200 extra undi antunnadu. Here B salary is X minus 300. Then again I am reducing 200 more, minus 300 and minus 200. That is equals to X minus 500, correct? Then next, if the sum of the salaries of B and C is 1800, B's salary, okay, plus C's salary is equals to 1800. In that case, B's salary is X minus 300 plus C's salary is X minus 500. That is equals to 1800. Then sum the values X plus X, 2X minus 300 plus 300 and 500. Both are in minus sign, right? So that is equals to 800. Then X equals to, 2X equals to 1800 plus 800 is 2600. In that case, X is equals to 2600 by 2, correct? X is equals to 2600 by 2. That is equals to 1300. Then what is the salary of B and what is the salary of C? No need to calculate because the given question is what is the salary of A only, right? So here మనం ఏం అజ్యూమ్ చేసుకున్నాం, ఏ సాలరీ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ అన్నాను, ఎక్స్ వాల్యూ ఈజ్ 1300. సో మనకు కావాల్సిన ఆన్సర్ వచ్చేసింది, కరెక్ట్? దెన్ బి సాలరీ ఈజ్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 300. ఇఫ్ దే ఆస్క్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ బి, ద సాలరీ ఆఫ్ బి, దెన్ దట్ ఈస్ ఎక్స్ మైనస్ 300. 1300 minus 300 is 1000. In the same way, C's salary x minus 500. 1300 minus 500 is 800 if they ask. Okay, but here the question is salary of A only. So your value is 1300, correct?